This is a micro torch, and it is shipped without butane gas inside. So before using it, please refill it with butane lighter fuel. And before refilling it, please make sure the gas adjustment knob is turned clockwise to the end. And then hold the micro torch upside down. And then insert the butane canister nozzle into the torch refilling valve. Press down the canister. Okay, if you see the liquid gas overflowing from the refilling valve, it means the torch is full. And then before using it, please wait around 3 minutes to allow the gas inside to stabilize. After 3 minutes, you can start to use it. And before lighting it, please make sure the air hole, you can see through the air hole. If the air hole is high, the torch cannot be ignited. Okay. Now, turn the safety lock to the unlock position. And then rotate the gas adjustment knob to the plus direction, counterclockwise. And now you can hear the gas flowing through the torch nozzle. And then press the gas adjustment knob. Now if you want to change the shape of the flame, you can turn the air hole switch. If you hide the air hole, the flame will become soft flame. If you expose the air hole, it will become hard flame. And you can also adjust the flame size by turning the gas adjustment. If you turn it clockwise, the flame will be smaller. If you turn it counterclockwise, the flame will be bigger. To turn it off, please turn the gas adjustment knob clockwise to the end, and the flame will be extinguished. And now please turn the safety lock switch to the locked position. And the ignition button is locked now. Okay, thank you very much for watching.